Okay, so today's Thursday, April 6th, 2023, and I'm going to pick up Kiara at school, and we'll be doing her mock G1 exit road test. Here we go. Awesome. I thought you said you had trouble doing this.
I did at first.
Really?
Look at that. Not first time.
It's awesome.
Which parking right?
Yeah, you got her. All right, so, no, hang on. Now we're going to do your fake road test. And I'm going to mark you. So I'm going to pretend I'm the examiner. Unfortunately, we got to do this quickly, too. But that's okay. Your road test's only going to be about 8 minutes to 15 minutes long.
Yeah.
And they'll do a little circle check around your car first. Like, they'll get you to honk the horn and everything. After you register, you come back to the car, you wait in the car. And you can start the engine, you can put your lights on, your seatbelt on and everything while you're waiting for the examiner to come out. Like this morning, we had just sat in the car and the examiner had come out like within like a minute. So didn't really have time to, talk to the student at all before, like pep talk type of thing. But he made it, passed and everything. So.
Do you go with them on the road?
Not on the road test. No, I don't. I just wait at the center there. Inside. It's one examiner. They'll get in the car, they'll explain the rules, the expectations. They'll never try to trick you. They'll never ask you to do anything illegal or anything. And just remember that if they say nothing at all, just assume they want you to go straight. So you're not sitting there wondering does he want me to turn left or right, whatever. And then if you make a left turn at a light into the left lane, and then remember to make your right lane change right away. Okay. They're going to ask you to do pretty much what I'm going to ask you to do. We're not going to go through everything, so I'll just I won't tell you what I'm going to ask you to do. So we'll just keep it kosher here. Exactly the same. Okay. So you ready?
Yeah.
All right. We'll head out. There's no music either, so it might be a little awkward.
Really?
Yeah, they turn it off. So we'll head out to the traffic lights. That guy wasn't being too smart, was he? We're gonna go straight at the lights here.
Okay.
You had the right of way. You were already in the main.
I messed that up.
No, not at all. Not at all, no. But that white car just kind of didn't even stop, man. Made me flinch.
Yeah. So I was like, oh god. Sorry, I know I'm not supposed to.
That one was not your fault. And you responded anyway at the same time I did.